We have studied rational numbers in detail in the lower classes, and we have also repeated that in the 9th standard. But we have never studied what are irrational numbers. Actually, we have explained and we have plotted also in the 8th standard irrational numbers on the number line. So I am repeating. A number whose decimal form, why I have underlined the decimal form, I am going to explain. A number whose decimal form which satisfies the two conditions. First, that decimal form must be non-terminating. All numbers can be written in this form, non-terminating form. So this need not be verified. So I am putting a cross mark here. Okay? Because all can be written in the non-terminating form. So a number whose decimal form is non-terminating and non-recurring. This is very important. Non-recurring. Therefore I put a star mark. If the decimal form satisfies these two conditions, then that number is called an irrational number. Now the question is, we have to express the given number in the decimal form. Suppose I write the number 51279, and now somebody will ask me, sir, is this number an irrational number? I will not be able to answer within fraction of a second, because first thing is that I have to convert this in the decimal form, and then I have to verify the definition of an irrational number. Now we know that you cannot calculate the decimal form of any number within a flash. It takes time. So it takes time to reach to the conclusion whether the given number is an irrational number or not an irrational number. Okay? But we rarely come across such questions. Then there are certain conclusions which we arrive at. Using those conclusions, we can say that the number is an irrational number or a rational number. Okay? Now, we are going to study some proof where we will say that square root of any prime number is an irrational number. Okay? For that, we have to study some fundamentals which I am going to explain to you in the next lecture.